everyone, this is Divisha Agrawal. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Jaipur. I visited Jaipur last year with my sister and we had a blast on that trip. So I thought ki I should sit down and share those experiences and must visit places in Jaipur so that you can save your time, effort, energy on places that are absolutely worth checking out in the city. And like if you have just a couple of days in the city, then you should not miss these places that I'm about to share in this video. Also, excuse my voice because I'm a little under the weather and that's why it's sounding all phlegm. But yeah, anyway, let's get into the video. The first place has to be City Palace. Now, before going to the City Palace, I thought कि यार क्या ही होगा, City Palace है, वही museum, वही सब boring चीजें. But I watched a lot of videos and it was kind of like a must-visit place mentioned in those videos. तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो यार जाके आ जाते. Let's just check it off the list. To be honest, it was worth every penny, worth all our time because I couldn't stop exploring that place. I couldn't get enough of that place because it was so damn beautiful. It was legit like a palace and it had so many different sections. It had so much history, so much art and just like that feeling कि यार राजा महाराजा के ज़माने में ऐसा कुछ होता होगा. And वहाँ पे like costumes थे, war elements थे and so many different things that we saw there. It was just mind-blowing. We saw so much beauty that day, like the doors and the carvings and the paintings and all of that dated back to like hundreds of years ago. On top of that, they do have like a restaurant and cafe inside of the City Palace now, so you can actually like enjoy a meal over there if you are there. Secondly, you have to visit Amer Fort. I'm pretty sure सबने Amer Fort का नाम सुना होगा. You have to like take out one entire day for this particular place because अगर जयपुर गए और Amer Fort नहीं गए तो क्या जयपुर गए. And I actually made like a whole video on Amer Fort last year, so you can check it out over here. It is full with like interesting facts and you should go there. You should hire a guide and just roam around the entire fort because it's beautiful. It's like a gorgeous place and it actually gives you that insight कि पुराने ज़माने में राजा महाराजाओं की life कैसी होती थी, how they used to like just live life, darbar and sheesh mahal and rasoi and all of that, like everything Shahi. You will actually see and hear stories of actual luxury, what actual luxury looks like, and it is just breathtaking. Also, the sunset from the place looks beautiful and they have like a lot of small shops outside the fort, so you can actually visit those shops and collect souvenirs for your loved ones. There's one more thing that we actually missed because हमारे पास time नहीं था, लेकिन एक stepwell है वहाँ पे पास ही में आमेर फोर्ट के and it's known as something Panna Meenaka Kund. Yes, it's very famous and it's like this beautiful architectural thing and it's beautiful to kind of just take pictures and experience that whole thing. It's just okay, do not miss it, basically. Third place on the list is actually my personal favorite. So it's the Nahargarh Fort. It's located right above Amer Fort. That is a must to visit place for me for I think a couple of reasons. You get the best sunset view from that place. Secondly, the vibe is awesome. And third, it offers like a full city view. Like you can actually see the full entire Jaipur city from the top of the fort and it's stunning. There's a cafe on the fort which is very pretty but the food is very okay, so you can just sit there, order a coffee and sit there for the vibes because the vibe is 10 on 10. Also, do stay there after the sunset because when the city lights are on, the view from the top is just amazing. Like it's 100 on 10 for me because it is so gorgeous. Like you see all these lights underneath and it seems like a bed full of stars, I would say. So yeah, I mean it's totally worth a visit and definitely my favorite place to be. Next on the list is Bazaars of Jaipur. अब जयपुर गए और shopping नहीं की तो क्या किया, because Jaipur markets are famous all over India for a good reason because you get like a lot of stuff over there, from jutis to clothes to jewelry to handbags and like so much more, like home decor and chudiya and all of that. It's just so pretty. Everything is super pretty. I felt great. Shadi? No, I need to finish this video. Yeah. If you have great bargaining skills, then you will find some great pieces at a great price. So shop your heart out at like Bapu Bazaar, Johari Bazaar, and just other local markets of Jaipur. Next up on the list is not one place, two places, but three different places. So I have Hawa Mahal on my list because obviously it's iconic and it has such rich history, that place itself. I know बहुत crowded है and बहुत mainstream है, लेकिन if जयपुर गए हो तो ये देखना बनता है. It would hardly take you 1 hour to cover the entire place, so it's totally worth it I feel like, because you know आप जयपुर बार बार नहीं जाने वाले हो. एंड प्रो टिप इज हवा महल के जस्ट सामने देयर आर लाइक 2-3 कैफेज जहाँ से आपको हवा महल का डायरेक्ट व्यू मिलता है एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली गेट वीडियोज लाइक दिस ओवर देयर. सो इफ यू आर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड इफ यू वांट दोज इंस्टाग्रामेबल फोटोज एंड वीडियोज फॉर योर पेज, देन do check these cafes out. The second place is Patrika Gate. Now it is actually just a gate basically. I had something else in mind when I first heard of this place, but it's like a beautiful big gate sort of a thing which has like beautiful paintings and just so many carvings. People usually come here for pre-wedding photo shoots or just photo shoots in general, and it's a very very Instagrammable spot if you ask me. पीछे की तरफ एक गार्डन भी है wherein people shoot and stuff like that. So यहाँ पे जाने का एक टिप ये है कि visit it very early in the morning so that you don't find a lot of people. Last one on the list is Albert Hall Museum. Now if you are into architecture and actually appreciate like the art of architecture, then this place is for you. It is a museum obviously, but it looks so beautiful from the outside as well, and it's like located very centrally. You should definitely visit this place and spend like an hour over there. So these three places you can actually cover within like half a day. Yeah, that's why I mentioned them all together. So that's it for this video. I kept it super short and fun and to the point because I know किसी के पास time नहीं है to watch the entire thing and actually listen to someone talk about Jaipur for like 10 minutes. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below if you are visiting Jaipur, and share this with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.